Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to load Onlinefix64.dll from the list of error code 126. If getting that annoying error code, you don't need to panic because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that actually works in 2025. So the first step, you can run as administrator. So first, you can try running your game or app as administrator. You can just find the game file or the app file, say this one, and right click on it. And here you can just tap on this one, run as administrator, and tap on yes after that. Sometimes because the permission block the DLL from loading. And the second step that you can do is reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++. So make sure you have installed the correct versions of Microsoft Visual C++ for distributables. You can go to the Microsoft site, Microsoft official site. This one, and then just download and install both the x86 and x64 versions of Visual C++. You can just find it in here. And next, you can place the missing DLL manually. So if still not working, you can try manually placing the Onlinefix64.dll into the app's main directory and your system32 or syswall64 folder. So next one, you can also update your graphics driver because the error 126 can also come from outdated GPU drivers. So make sure your graphics card is updated. And next one, you can also reboot and test. So after all that, you can reboot your PC and try launching the program again. This one, for example, it should work now. So that's your problem solved. Let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks for more quick fixes. Bye.